Hello and welcome in this tutorial on how to use the Altman Z-score financial model template. This template will allow you to check the financial health of your company and predict the probability of default of a certain target company. So the inputs in the inputs tab that you will be required to provide are the following: net working capital, total assets, retained earnings, EBIT, book value of equity, market value of equity, total liabilities, and sales. And then you will need to select the type of your company. And based on these inputs, certain components of the Altman Z-score will be calculated together with their coefficients to be used, and then this will result in the actual Altman Z-score, and you can find here the resulting zone, whether you're in the safe zone, gray zone, or danger zone, and also the notes will tell you whether your company is financially sound or not. So also, the type of company will matter, because depending on the type of company, so whether it is a public manufacturing company, a private manufacturing company, a non-manufacturing company, or a manufacturing company operating in an emerging market, the component values and of course the results as well will vary, and therefore also the Altman Z-score will vary. So for example, if we change it to manufacturing company, as we will see, public manufacturing company, then the components value change, and the resulting now Z-score is gray zone with a company that might or might not go bankrupt, and caution is required.